Oh hey, welcome to Super Hospital. I'll talk to you soon. Hi.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, I'm Zach. I'm the new intern.
Hey, welcome. Yeah, welcome to Super Hospital.
I saw something crazy a second ago.
Wow, you really dressed up there.
Oh yeah, they told us we have to wear it every day.
Yeah, I've never worn a white coat. The last time I wore a button-up shirt was my wedding 3 years ago.
You haven't worn a shirt in 3 years?
No.
What?
Yeah, come take a seat. I'll show you the ropes. So this is epic, isn't it? Epic.
So I can just sit over there?
All right. Time to be a doctor. I can't log into Epic. IT? Okay. They said it's a 3-hour wait. 4 hours. Tomorrow. When I graduate residency? So basically I need to teach you how to be a doctor in 10 minutes. Thin liquids? Are you fucking crazy? What? No thin liquids. I'm sorry. Have you even had a feast yet? I don't think so. What was that? Yeah, you have to be careful. SLP can come out of nowhere. One time I was NPO for 2 weeks. Hey, Mr. Smith, I'm student doctor. I'm a real doctor. Hey, Dr. Zach, I'm Mr. Hey, Mr. Smith, I'm Zach, the monkey's trainer. What the hell are you even talking about? Okay, so it's just me and you? So I make the decisions? Like I can order medicines and drugs and stuff for you? And they'll give them to you. Take a listen. Yeah, I don't hear anything. Somehow, I don't think it goes there. Something sounds really wrong. Oh, I'm listening to myself. Oh my God. Hold on, I need to consult cards on myself. You ordered 1,000 milligrams of insulin for Mr. Smith? He's not diabetic. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a doctor, and yeah, that's right, I am. I am a doctor. But what do I do? Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna round now. So can you go grab a cow? That isn't a cow. All right, guys, welcome to the team. Happy to have you all here. Why don't we round? Who do we have here today? Mr. Smith? Great. Just go ahead with your exam. I'll just be here. Yeah, I think I hear some crackles in the lower left field. Maybe they aspirated. Interesting. Or aspiration pneumonia. All right. Let me do my exam here real quick. Yeah, no, it's acute cholecystitis. I'm gonna need you to consult surgery, and we'll start some antibiotics and fluids. Thanks so much. How did you do? Hey, surgery. Well, so there's this guy here. He's not feeling very well. Something's going on in his gall area. Do I see patients? You're funny. You'll do well. You need that sense of humor in medicine. Yeah. The imaging won't load. I still can't log in. You'll be fine. All right, so let's set some expectations. First of all, I'd love all your charts to have these, figures on them. If you could just put those on your chart, it'd be really good. I don't know what those mean. Oh, hey. Holy. Yeah, I'm the med student. How long have you been under there? Yeah, I've been under here because there's nowhere else to sit. Jesus Christ. There's no computers for you? Oh, it's fine. What are you? Oh, no, it's not that bad. Yeah, one time an attending just used me as a footstool for the entire day before he knew I was there. So you work down there? Yeah. Who are you with? I learn from you. You're gonna teach me, right? I'm gonna learn. You're with me? This is my first day. I haven't looked at a flashcard or seen a patient in like a year. Oh, it's fine. Okay then. So I'll set my expectations with you too. I expect 7 hours of teaching a day. And I want to see every patient. I want you to write me a letter. And I want to be out by lunch. Thank you. What is that? Yeah, that's the pulse ox. How much oxygen your patient has? Oh, this is a whistle I just wear. So the first week in the hospital when you guys start, just in case you're about to make a mistake, I just blow the whistle. He's okay, right? Oh yeah, you just might need a little bit of help here. Yeah, I get a CBC, CMP, a lactate. I do an ABG as well, maybe a chest x-ray. What? Maybe you should call like your senior or your attending. Okay. Why do we have so many binders? Like, what are these for? Yeah, I'm not really sure why we have them actually. But yeah, you gotta do it every 24 hours. Fill that form in. This is all on the computer, right? Like all of this is on the computer. But I still need to fill these forms out. Yeah, you're a doctor. What? What's happening? Who is that? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's case management. I thought I arranged the outpatient follow-up. No, the office just closed for lunch. She just killed the medical student. Yeah, sometimes if the med students, they don't do well enough, she, gives them the old... She chopped him in half. It happens at all hospitals. What? No, she's the most important. Well, what you do is you actually judge someone by the length of their white coat. All right, so you got 20 more patients to see before 3 o'clock. How many messages can someone send you? What the? Yeah, you're a doctor. What do those squiggly lines mean? Oh, they never see me. I just hide under here. I'm a what? That's an EKG. Okay, now it's just one line. Is that good? Bad. Very bad. You're a doctor. Where is that? Wait. I'm a what? I've got to drive a patient to rehab. So you can hold down the ship, right? I don't know. Give you the phone. Let me stop you right there. I'm a what? You're a doctor. Quick, hide your food. You want me to do what? Yeah, let me ask my senior. I'm a what? You'll be out of here at a reasonable time. What happened to the patient? Yeah, I'm lucky. They put me on mixed and moist. There's no need to be that rude. Yeah, so there's no one that'll take him. The ambulance is 17 days late. What does that word even mean? So I'm gonna go drive him to rehab, about an hour away. So I'll be back for PM rounds. You got this. Take care of the med student. Did he go to medical school? Let me ask my attending real quick. We always make time to eat. What even is that? Okay, so the way the attending likes patients to be presented, first you're gonna talk about imaging. Then you're gonna go into the labs. Then you're gonna say what he ate for breakfast yesterday. You're a doctor. Then you're gonna talk about your physical exam. After that, you're gonna present the attending with apple juice on ice. Please spare me. They've been here how long? She probably hasn't seen the Incredibles movie. I don't think so. I thought I arranged the outpatient follow-up. And then you come all the way back to the subjective before making sure to hop in a circle 3 times and say, I love the attending. It's really important. I don't know. He lives in the hospital. Is he okay? What? Why are you doing that? What is that? Yeah, no insurance would cover him, so he's just here. MD aware. Case management's really on my ass, I'll tell you. What's a curbside? It'll get better next year. I'm a what? Where are the labs? Everyone eats. Sure. At least now I can maybe eat something. NPO.